Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about the simultaneous linear equations. So in this video, we are going to learn about all the types of, all the methods by which we can solve these equations. So for solving these equations, we have three methods. First, the substitution method. Then the elimination method. And finally the crisscross method. So we are going to learn about all these methods. So we will solve the equations with this method. So we take any examples. So let us take first that x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we take these equations. So first by substitution method we will do. So this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So write it equation number 1 and equation number 2. So first we simplify this equation number 1 like this. It is given that x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So that means x plus y is equal to 3 as it is minus 3 here. So if it goes this side, it will become plus 3. So now x is equal to, now y is plus here, so it will become minus here. So y is equal to, x is equal to 3 minus y. So we get the value of x. So now we write the substituting value of x in equation 2. So that means we will substitute this method, or means we will put this method, this value in this equation. So first 2 multiplied by x, that means 2 multiplied by 3 minus y minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get the full equation now. So now if we solve this equation, we will get the complete value of y. So first 2 3s are 6 minus 2y is a minus y minus 2y minus 5y is equal to, now I take plus 1 to this side, so it becomes minus 1 this side. Now minus 2y minus 5y, that is equal to minus 7y is equal to minus 1. So now I take plus 6 to this side, so it becomes minus here, so minus 6 here also. So now y is equal to, so it becomes full minus 7 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 by, now this minus 7, as it is a multiplication here with y, so it will go for division here, so minus 7. So I cut the minus signs, so now I cut the 7 only. So now y is equals to 1. So you get the value of y now. So now our final task is substituting value of y in equation 1. So x plus y, that is 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So our equation is x plus y is equal to, x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, so 3 will become plus this side and 1 will become minus this side. So x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So we got our values. So this is all a substitution method. So now in this method we have to keep one thing in mind, that when you are first finding out the value, that means first this step, that is we have taken this equation, we can take any of the equation, we can take one number also, two number also we can take. Just you have to solve this and make it to a simple equation in which the value will be assigned in only one number. So now we have taken this equation. So that means the value that we will get, we have to assign in the second equation. We cannot assign in the first equation. Assign the second equation. So second equation we have assigned here. So we get the value of y is 1. So now as we get the value of 1, so now I have to substitute the value of y in the another equation other than the one in which we have got the value of y. So the value of y is assigned to the first equation, so you get the value of x, that is 2. So our final answer is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So now I've understood the substitution method, and now I will go for the elimination method. So for elimination method, will be somewhat different. So first we take an example. So suppose x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. So this will be equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. So now the rule of the elimination method is that a number which is higher, that is 2x minus 3y is definitely higher than x plus y, and in that number we have to multiply this x and y with any of the constant so that it will become this number. So first this number we will write down. So 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. So now let us say that we will eliminate 2. So to eliminate 2, both the numbers should be same. So to make this number similar to 2x, that means I have to multiply this number by 2. So now this full will be multiplied by 2. You cannot simply multiply only 1. So now multiplied by 2, that means 2x are 2x plus 2y are 2y is equals to 2 5s are 10. So we have got the values now. 2x and 2x are both in similar weights. So now the next rule is, if the upper portion it is plus and down portion is minus, we don't need to change the signs. But if the upper is plus and the down is also plus, you have to change the signs. And again, if the sign is minus above and down also minus, you have to change the signs. So like this, here we can see that upper portion is also plus, down portion is also plus in 2x. So plus sign, here will be minus sign, as it is plus here, and here also it is plus. So down we will write minus, so this side also will become minus and this side will also become minus. So the rule of putting the below the signs are, if it is plus we will write minus, again plus minus, and here also it is plus, we will write minus. If any of the number is minus, then you have to write plus down. So now elimination method means you have to cut this number. So plus 2x minus 2x, that means we can cut it. Then minus 3y, and now we have to treat this 2y as minus. So minus 3y and minus 2y, that is equals to minus 5y is equals to, so now this side minus 10 and plus 4. So minus 10 and plus 4, it will always become minus 6. So this side it becomes minus 6. Now we simplify this formula like this. So y is equals to minus 6 by minus 5. You know it how to do. So now I cut the minus sign. So y is equals to 6 by 5. We get the value of y. So this is the final value of y. So now our next task is we have to find the value of x. So now the substitution method works, and here we have to assign the y in any of the equations. So first equation we take. So x plus y, that means x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. So now take the 5 as LCM here. So 5 multiplied by x, it becomes 5x plus 6 is equals to 5. So now I take the down 5 to this side, so it becomes multiply to this side. So 5x plus 6 is equals to 5 into 5. So now 5x plus 6 is equals to 5 into 5, that is 25. And 5x is equals to 25. So this here it is plus 6, so here it will become minus 6. So 25 minus 6. So now x is equals to 19 by 5. So the value of x will be 19 by 5. So the value of x is equals to 19 by 5, and the value of y is equals to 6 by 5. So you get the final answer for this question. So now the elimination is clear to us, and now our last method is crisscross method. So now the last, that is crisscross method or the cross multiplication method. So for this question also we take an example. So we take 2x plus 5 is equals to 5, and 3x plus 2y we take is equals to 8. So now in the previous method you have done that if the number are in this side, that means the number which are in the right side, we have taken that to right side only. So now in this method we have to take them to left side. So imagine this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So first equation number 1, 2x plus 5. So this 5 is plus in this side, so it will become minus here. So 2x plus, sorry, it will be y also here. So 2x plus 5y minus 5 is equals to 0. You have to take the equation like this. And the second one, 3x plus 2y. Now it is plus 8 here, so here minus 8 is equals to 0. So with this equation, we have to solve the cross multiplication method. So now we have certain things we have to write. So first, we have to assign 6 numbers. So first a1. So a1 will be is equals to the number that is assigned to the first expression. That means first expression is our 2x. So the numeral expression will be 2. So a1 will be 2. So now a2. So a2 will be down of a1. That means 3x. So here the expression is 3 only. So now write b1. So b1 will be 5y. So the numeral expression is 5 only. And b2 is equals to 2. 2y it is there, so numeral expression is 2. And now finally c1 is equals to the one which is there, that is minus 5. And c2 is equals to minus 8. So now if we arrange the equation like this, b1 by b2, a1 by a2, sorry, not a1 by a2, first c1 by c2, then a1 by a2, then again b1 by b2. So this will be the method. So now b2 will be multiplied by c1, b1 will be multiplied by c2, c2 will be multiplied by a1, and c1 will be multiplied by a2, a2 will be multiplied by a1, b1, and a1 will be multiplied by b2. So with this will be the method. So now I put down all the values. So first b1 5, b2 2, c1 is 1, c1 is minus 5, c2 is equals to minus 8, a1 is our 2, a2 is 3, then again b1 by b2, that is 5 by 2. So now the multiplication like this. So guys, remember that a down number will always multiply by the up number, and the upper number will always multiply by the down number. Like this method will be only you have to multiply. So now after multiplying, you have to do like this. So first x you will write. Now x by you have to write. So now only this much you have to take. So now first 5 will be multiplied by minus 8. 5 multiplied by minus 8. Then 2 multiplied by minus 5. And in between these two multiplications, you have to give the minus sign here, like this. So this is the uniform method, we have to do like this only. Now is equals to side you have to give, and then y is equals to the similar method, this number to this number. That means minus 5 and 3 and 8 and 2. So first minus 5 and 3, and then minus 8 and 2, in between minus sign. And then the last one, it is somewhat different. In place of x and y, you have to write 1. And 1 by 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2. And 3 multiplied by 5. And in between there will be minus sign. So now let us simplify this equation first. So x by 5 into minus 8, minus 40. Minus 5 into 2 into minus 5, minus 10 is equals to y by 5 minus 5 into 3, minus 15, minus sign, minus 8 into 2, minus 16 is equals to 1 by 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 5s are 15. So now finally x by minus 40, so minus minus plus 10 is equals to y by minus 15, minus minus plus 16, 1 by 4 minus 15, that is equals to minus 11. So now x by minus 40 plus 10, minus 30 is equals to y by minus 15 plus 16, that is equals to 1, and 1 is equals to minus 11. So we have got the value of x by minus 30 is equal to y by 1 is equal to 1 by minus 11. So here one more write it. So x by minus 30 is equal to y by 1 is equals to 1 by minus 11. So now our final task is to find out, first this number will be equals to this number. So that means x by minus 30 will be equal to 1 by minus 11. So if we solve this, we will get the value of x. So now x will be equal to, so now minus 30 will go for multiplication, that means minus 30 by minus 11. So we cut the minus signs. So x will be equal to 30 by 11. So this is the value of x. So now second thing, this y by 1 will multiply to this number. Again, sorry, not multiply, is equal to this number. So y by 1 is equal to 1 by minus 11. So y is equal to 1 by minus 11 only. So this is our answer. So finally you can write it. X is equal to 30 by 11 and y is equal to minus 1 by 11. So this is our final answer for this question. So this is the crisscross method, and we have studied all the methods by which you can solve the simultaneous linear equations. Hope you guys like this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more solutions.